Hi guys, I just finished my workout and took my shower, and now I'll be cooking the crawfish or crayfish, or the miniature version of lobster. Already what I did, you know, already like before, like when I started my workout, I just kept the pre-cooked lobster which I bought. I just kept out from the refrigerator, and I think this only I'll unpack it and I'm gonna cook. Let's see. This is the first time I'm going to cook. I almost called 3-4 friends and asked like how to cook. They said open the package. Opening the package itself is difficult for me. Oh yeah. Now I can take it. This is what I'm going to cook. You know, they said I need to boil it at a 70-degree for 5 to 10 minutes, and I think it should be fine. This is what I'm going to put it in the pan. Yeah. Oh, the aroma is awesome. Let me put some water. A little. Maybe I close it. Maybe I close it for a while, you know. Let's see how it's boiling. Oh my god, the aroma is awesome. I like this. This is the first time I'm cooking. I think after lockdown, I'll be cooking this every time. Okay. Perfect. Now we will see like how this lobster is being eaten. Like in Chinese, they say it as shi long sha, and it's also called crayfish, or somebody says a crawfish. So usually what they do, first I need to figure out which is head and which is yeah. So this is what it is. See, you can see, and twist it. Need to remove the head. See, that's it, you know. And then here the meat is there, you know. This is the body part. This is the body part. You could see the meat, and then yummy. I don't know, I'm not an expert in eating this lobster, but you know, see, you need to remove the peel of the skin, and then you could see, this is what you need to eat. Oh my god, delicious. Yes, you remove the head, and this part you need to eat. It's tasty, I know. Like, I think most of the Chinese eat this a lot, and the taste is very good, and it's very spicy. I heard people eating like 5 kg something. Yeah, of course, only this they're gonna eat, right? This, not even in one, it will be like 500, not even like 5 grams or something. Yummy. So usually when you buy it separately and cook, it's very like, it takes some time to cook. Like you need to like put the right ingredients, everything, the spices. But this is something which I bought, like pre-cooked one, like spices, everything is there inside. You need to like deep freeze it and then boil it for like fry it for some 5 to 10 minutes, and then at 70 degree it's ready. Like if you overcook it, then this part, you know, this is very soft. Yeah, when you overcook it, this becomes very hard and it's not that tasty to eat, you know. Now look here. Look here. Yummy. No. It's very tasty, you know. The spice is very important. I cannot eat like that. So I'll keep continue eating, and then I'll let you know what I'm gonna do next in this day. Okay? It's almost 11:30 now. Hope you guys would have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video and share the video and comment on the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you until next video. Bye bye. Yeah, I need to like switch off the lights and then go to bed, you know.